Hey guys, so today we are going to be making some fluffy slime. So, ingredients. Let's see, you're gonna need some glue. I prefer Elmer's glue because I don't know, I just like Elmer's glue. So you're gonna need some glue, preferably white. You can use clear too, but the color isn't gonna come out the same, or the consistency, because then it's not going to be as fluffy because you have to use something. White glue. Just get some white glue. I have some saline solution. Some good old saving cream. I don't know why I'm talking so weird. Just ignore me. Yes. This is baby lotion. Okay? Don't judge me. You can use any lotion you want as long as it's lotion. So get yourself some lotion. And then, I know this is a small glue container, but it's borax. You know. So, borax, spoon, bowl, or just anything to mix it in. And then you'll need a container. And I'm all out of plastic containers, so I'm using a bag. Okay, so first things first. Take some glue. I'm almost out of glue. I have to get another gallon soon. So take some glue, pour it in your bowl. Just however big you want your slime, just put that much glue in, because you gotta remember, however amount of glue, your slime's gonna be about double that size. So, there's that. And then, oh yeah, I forgot one of the ingredients. Another ingredient is water. So, take your glue and then add some water, not a lot, just a little bit. Just ignore that sound. And then stir together until the glue and the water are completely mixed. Then it's gonna be just the glue, but it'll make it so that the slime is stretchier, you know? I mean, the lotion helps with that too, but adding water makes it better. Then you're gonna take your shaving cream. Almost out of shaving cream. There you go. Then you're gonna mix that together. And then you're going to get this nice creamy consistency, and that's what you want. Okay? Then you're going to take your lotion, which you can put this in after you make it slime too, but I put a little bit in before I turn it into slime, and then I also put a little bit in after. It's not coming out right.
Sissy,
There we go.
I found some gummy bears. Gummy bears. And I opened them with the scissors. I want to spin with you because
That's my little sister.
I'm making a video, aren't you?
Yeah.
So can I sit on the back of you?
You can sit right here.
Yeah, but I can't get over there. Well, that's right there.
Look.
Hi, guys.
Here's Lily.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you're going to want to stir your lotion in. How old are you, Lily?
What?
How old are you?
4. This year, I'm white and you're the green. Now I'm green, you're the white. Now you're going down the way.
Now you're going to take your saline, and not a lot of it, because this is just going to help with consistency, but you don't want to add a lot, or else it'll become slime before you put the borax in. I mean, you don't have to use borax. You can use just saline solution to turn it into slime, but if you use saline instead of borax, it's definitely not going to be as fluffy as it would be with borax. So that's just going to thicken it up a little bit more. Okay.
Nom, nom.
Then you're going to take your borax, and you're going to put a little bit in at a time.
That gummy bears. Can't you just get your elbow out of the way? You can't see.
Ooh. It's not enough borax yet. It's starting to get there though. And you're going to add a little bit more borax.
Pretty sticky, Mister. My name's Lily. Her name's Mister. Do they know our names?
They do now.
Yeah, because I told them.
Yep.
So, yeah, my name's Misty. Misty. I'm the one
It
that's
is
talking to you.
just about there. You just gotta take it out now and mix it up a little with your hands. Look how fluffy it is.
I'm gonna grind these gums here. Here, want one? Here. Uh-oh. Oh God, no more candy. So, I'm done with the candy.
And you have yourself some slime.
Are you gonna
Fluffy
put-
slime. And now
Why did you
we're
not?
gonna color it. You can use tons of different things to color the slime. You know, you can use paint, food coloring. If you want butter slime, you could use clay. You could get the colored clay and color it.
Misty, I want to pick the color that I want you to paint the color, okay?
Okay. I use acrylic paint because it stays in longer. See, the thing with food coloring is it dyes your hands while you're mixing it, and even after you get done mixing it, every time you try to play with the slime, it dyes your hands a little bit.
This one.
Okay, we're gonna make this baby blue. This is called pool blue. Acrylic paint. I always use the apple barrel. Oh, sorry, sister. I always use the Apple Barrel brand because I don't know, I just like it the best.
Snip, snip, snip.
Put the scissors down
Why?
because I said
Do the scissors.
put them down. So you're gonna take it,
Snip.
open it up.
Excuse me.
Squeeze it in and just mix it up until it's
With your hand?
completely mixed together.
With your hand? What do you do with your hand? She's crazy. Hi, I'm a bigger square. I know I'm a bigger square.
Really strong.
name. Me, Marty Mo. Who's your other cookie store? I'm a little TT girl. Whee!
And there you go, it's blue. I think I'm going to add a little bit more though, because I want it to be a little bit more blue.
Na 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 na. Bag in case you need to put in bag.
Not yet.
I know, I just got out for you so you don't have to. Okay? Okay?
Sure. Forgot to get the last little bit of slime off the spoon.
You know I said I want to eat her.
My sister's crazy.
Yeah. I just...
Are you crazy, Lily?
Not at all. I heard that.
Yeah,
You said, yeah, she is.
because you are crazy. You're a crazy little girl.
Yeah, because I want to eat you, not for real. You taste gross. Your own pet.
Okay, stop. So,
Can I
here
play
we
with that
go.
while you're making another one?
Here, I'll get another angle on it.
So can I
There's
play
this
with it?
one.
So can I play with it while you're making another one?
I'm not making another one right now,
Can
but
play
I
with it?
will.
Can I play with it?
Not right now.
Why?
Okay, well, guys,
Please. I wanna
that's
play.
it for this video. See y'all later. Bye. Say bye, Lily.
Bye.